Investors concerned about the escalating trade war with China are hoping for some calm on Wall Street today. Dow Jones Industrials plunged more than 600 points yesterday, their worst loss in more than 4 months. This followed China's decision to raise tariffs on $60 billion in U.S. goods after President Trump increased tariffs on Chinese products. Ben Tracy is sorting it all out for us at the White House, where the president seems ready for more conflict. Ben, good morning.
Good morning. So the president has already sent out several tweets this morning about China, in one saying that the U.S. is in a better position now than if he had reached a trade deal. Meanwhile, China is vowing to fight this trade war to the finish.
Well, I'll let you know in about 3 or 4 weeks whether or not it was successful. You never really know, right? But I have a feeling it's going to be very successful.
President Trump seems confident he's winning the trade war. His advice to American companies worried about higher prices due to tariffs: stop buying products from China.
Open your division or open up your product. Have it made in this country as opposed to made in China.
Frustrated at a lack of progress, the president is now taking the first step toward imposing tariffs on another approximately $300 billion worth of Chinese goods. This would make items Americans regularly buy 25% more expensive. With nearly 5,000 products impacted, you'll feel the effects whether you're shopping at the supermarket or the hardware store. Baby products like infant formula, pacifiers, and clothing will get more expensive. And so will Apple products like iPhones and iPads.
I would say it's everything but the kitchen sink, but it turns out kitchen sinks are on this list too.
American farmers, already reeling from the first round of tariffs last year, will likely be hit hardest.
Our farmers have been incredible. No country can get in the way of our farmers.
President Trump says he plans to bail out farmers who've lost business because of the tariffs with about $15 billion of tariff revenue. That's the tax U.S. companies are paying to import many Chinese goods. This despite the president's repeated claim that the Chinese, not Americans, are paying the price for the trade war.
No one's winning, and clearly everybody is potentially going to lose, and probably lose a lot more than they realize.
President Trump plans to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping at the G20 summit in Japan next month. You may see these two leaders try to work out some sort of ceasefire face-to-face, but so far there has been no announcement of any new trade talks leading up to that meeting. Gayle?
All right. Thank you, Ben, reporting from Washington.